Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you something different. Actually I'm gonna show you something which is not related to my bike. So the topic is install new kit for water purifier, like Pureit Classic water purifier. So this is the Germkill kit. I'm going to install the new kit and I'll guide you step by step. So I'm going to open this. So this is the kit which I'm going to install. So I have a Pureit Classic 23-liter water purifier, and I'll show you the installation process of Germkill Kit on this purifier. So before that, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get my latest video update. So first you need to rotate this anti-clockwise and it will come out, and then pull it up. Then rotate it again anti-clockwise direction and it will open. Then open this. So this part is open. Now I'm going to open the another one. Just rotate it anti-clockwise direction and it will come out. It's quite simple. Then remove this one and pull this up, it will come out. So I have opened all the parts. Let's clean the purifier. And remember one thing, before installing the new kit, setting it under the water for some time. Okay, so I have cleaned the filter. So now let's install the kit. So first this thing will go here like this, and then Now place this one. Now install this one. Just rotate it clockwise. That's it. Then this one will go here. You just need to push to install it. That's it. This one, just place it like this. So that's all what you need to do, and this is how you can install the Germkill kit on your purifier at home. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.